a few months ago, I lost 2 appliances in a row. My bread machine just stopped working in the middle of a rise with some of the bread I was making, and my rice cooker also died. So I got rid of both of those and tried to kind of see how I did without them and what was important, and it kind of led me to think about a lot of things in my kitchen and what tasks I do a lot of, and what I'm eating and not eating, and all sorts of stuff like that. So I ended up going on a little bit of a kitchen supply, I guess, rampage. Rampage is maybe too strong a word, but I got 5 or 6 things that I'm very happy with and I think are going to help me move forward in my kitchen and in my cooking and in the variety of foods that I eat and make. So let's get started. First of all, I got a wok. I have always had a wok in my past lives, but the last few years before I bought this house, I was in house shares with other people and there just wasn't enough room. But I realized how much I enjoyed stir fries, and it's such a good way to use up vegetables and leftover vegetables and frozen vegetables, so many different sauces. And I'm going to do a stir fry video pretty quick with some fresh vegetables that I picked up, and it's just great. I really love it. You can make it what you want. So I'm enjoying this and using it quite a bit already. It was from Walmart. It was very cheap. It's non-stick. But, you know, if I'm careful with it, then I think it'll probably last quite a long time. Another thing I purchased was a replacement apple corer. I have one of these, but it's disappeared. And I don't know where it is, but there are different types of apple cores, but this one I like because once you've cored the apple, pushed it down, you can open it and then the core comes right out. So I really like that. It's much quicker, neater, less messy than trying to shove it out or pull it out. So I got this on Amazon, and it'll be really useful when I make pies or do dehydrating to be able to just core it quickly and pull the core out. A few weeks ago, I was at a little dinner party, and the cook made these really beautiful potatoes. They were thinly sliced, sort of in a circle mixed with sweet potatoes. She poured butter over them. Absolutely sensational. And I noticed that she got those great little slices using a handheld mandolin. I don't have one of these. And considering all the dehydrating I do with pears and apples and the hand cutting, this suddenly seemed like a really good idea. I got it at Walmart also. I think it was 20 bucks or something. It was really inexpensive, and it has 5 different blades. I'm going to put them up here. 2 of the blades julienne, a thick julienne and a thin julienne, and 3 of the blades slice 3 different size slices. Yes, thin slice, medium size, thick slice. So just having those uniform slices will be helpful for me in cooking and in dehydrating, and also just a huge, huge time saver. So I'm looking forward to breaking this out real soon. Another item I picked up was a small rice cooker. I know it's pink. Nothing I can do about it. I got it on Amazon, and for some reason the pink was way cheaper than the other colors. I wanted a small one. My other rice cooker just died one day, and it was a complicated rice cooker. It had a steamer basket. You could do slow cooking in it, all sorts of stuff. I did not need that level of complexity. I just wanted a rice cooker that would cook rice. And this is a small one. I can make a cup of rice. I can put a cup of rice in here. They'll make 2 cups of rice, and that's way sufficient for me or me and a guest. So this is a good size. I could not find the size anywhere. I went to multiple stores, several different Targets, several different Walmarts, my local little grocery store that has some appliances. I could not find the small size, so I ended up buying it on mail order. Finally, I purchased a small electric kettle. I also looked for these in stores. I could not find something this small. Some of the stores I went to, I couldn't even find what the price was for some of them. I mean, I saw one I liked. I wasn't sure if it was $59 or $19. And so anyway, I went online again to Amazon and just got this nice little small one. I do have an electric kettle. It is a very primitive one. You have to plug it and unplug it to turn it on and off. And I basically got it to go camping with years ago, because once a year I'd go to this event up in the mountains, and they had electric, so I got it basically for that. But I've been using it for my for making tea and stuff, and I'm always nervous, what if I forgot to unplug it, and you know, if I'm outside and it boils, and it just became a little bit of a liability. So anyway, I got this one. I think it's going to be great. Real simple, again, from Amazon, small size, doesn't have a big footprint in the kitchen. I'm looking forward to using it and making my tea, hot water, and all sorts of stuff like that. So that's my little kitchen equipment haul. I'm very happy with everything I got. As I said at the beginning, I've analyzed what I use, what I don't use, what I'm cooking, what I'm not cooking, where I could make things a little more efficient, and I think these appliances and tools are definitely going to do that for me. Thank you so much for watching.